Today, I'm going to show you a working and effective strategy that suits everyone without overloading you with complicated rules. The main benefit of this strategy is that it removes guessing and emotion. You see the moment when the movement is just starting to build momentum, and you understand why the entry is logical, not random. The strategy consists of only 3 simple indicators, but it delivers powerful results. In this video, I will show you how I trade and why it brings me consistent results. I will break down every decision in real time. Before we move to the trade, let's properly set up the platform so you have the same working logic as I do. If you want to trade like me but are afraid of making mistakes, you don't have to figure out it alone. In my Telegram, I show live trades and provide access to automatic copying of my position. It's free and safe. You repeat proven trades, learn through practice, of course, and generate profit. With me, you will get secret strategies and breakdowns available only inside of my community. I take a limited number of people so I can help everyone personally. The link is in the description. Message me, I will add you. Before I show you how this strategy works, I will set up the platform. This is an important step. Chart types candles, the time frame will be 2 minutes. Today's indicators combination, CC high confirms moment without extra noise, MACD catches earlier movement change, and parabolics give a clear duration. Now I will adjust parabolics SCR. Acceleration 0.03, quite sensitive. Maximum acceleration 0.3 prevents overswing sharp reverse. Yes, done. CC high. Period set to 14, universal and stable setting, done. Now MACD, fast set to 8, react quickly, slow 23, provides a smoother background, yes. Signal 5 gives early signal, done. Together, this combination allows you to enter the duration of the move at the moment's momentum appear. Yes, with confirmation of its trades. Let's begin. Today my trade duration is 2 minutes. I open the first trade upward $50. I expect price growth. Look at the indicators immediately. On parabolics, the dot is already below the candle. Before that, the dots were above, and here we see a flag. This is a signal of duration change and the start of upward movement. Yes. On CC high, the line is in lower 100 zone, but most importantly, it's turned upward. This means the downward impulse has exhausted itself and the market is leaving the oversold state. Buyers are returning on MACD. The histogram has moved into the green zone. This means the market didn't just slow the decline, it started forming a positive impulse. The fast line turns upward and begin moving above the slow line. This shows a real shift toward growth, not just a simple pullback. So parabolic gave a reversal, CC high is existing oversold, MACD shows fading decline and beginning of reversal, and price is holding support. The trade is closing, so when it's bring me $92. Excellent. The market is still pushing upward, so I open another buy for $92. Look, before the trade, price moved with just series of strong red candles. At the bottom, we see movement slowing, yes, and parabolics dots move beyond the price. Clear confirmation of an upward reversal. CC high is near the negative zone and start turning upward, meaning the downward impulse is fading. On MACD, the red histogram ends and the first green bar appears near zero. This signals the beginning of positive momentum. The line is aligned and turn upward. All indicators point in the same direction, so the buy trade here looks promising. Waiting for the close, and I get $156. Excellent. If you are tired of doubting every entry and want to truly understand the market, join my Telegram right now. There you can connect automatic copying of my trades and start earning already today. The link is in the description. Message me and I will add you. I continue trading and open another 2-minute buy for $157. Before the entry, price moved down with a series of red candles in forming the local bottom. Parabolic dots move from above to below the candles, confirmation of an upward reversal. On CC high after low values, the line turns and confidently moves upward. Clearly, the downward impulse that has ended. Yes. On MACD, the histogram is already green and increasing, and the fast line begins moving above the slow one. Upward momentum is forming. Well, again, all three indicators point to growth, confidently waiting for close, and I get $257. Perfect. The market reversed and now I open a sell for $257. I see confirmation from all indicators. Well, look. Price grew to a local high, then gold stopped and red candles appeared. Parabolic dots move above the candles, confirming the duration change and the start of downward movement. CC high confidently slide downward, crosses the neutral level and moves into negative values. This means buyer's momentum has ended and bullish trade is fading. MACD histogram turns red and straighten, and the fast line turns below the slow one. British momentum is forming. So growth ended. Parabolic gave a reversal CC high, confirming the loss of trade. And MACD showed the beginning of decline. Waiting for the close, when I get $493. Great. Let's test the effectiveness with one more trade. I open another sell for the full amount, $494. Before the trade, price was in steady growth and reached the local maximum. Then growth stopped and a red candle appeared. Parabolic dots move above the candles. This is a reversal signal. It always shows that growth has ended, confirming downward movement. CC high was in the positive zone above 100. Now it's turned downward. This means buyer momentum is weakening. On MACD, the histogram starts turning red, and the lines, converge and turn downward. Bearish momentum is clearly forming. Sell trade here is local because Parabolic gave a reversal. CC high showed lows of growth streak. MACD confirmed impulse change and candle shows rejection of further upward movement. Waiting for the trade to close, and yes, and in total I get $948. Excellent. The main thing you should take from this video: simplicity works only when you follow the sequence of actions. It doesn't matter whether the market rises or falls. Today's trading shows that increasing your balance is possible from any amount to your target. It all depends on your desire and actions. In just few trades without complications, I made $900. And if you want more, we're used to working strategy, I recommend joining my Telegram right now and getting all the bonuses. The link is in the description.